Chapter 3 Addition up to 10. Let's recall. Addition is putting things together. Look at the picture below and fill in the blank boxes. Number of dogs 1. Number of cats 2. So total number of animals 2 plus 1 which is 3. Number of girls 2. Number of boys 2. Total number of children 2 plus 2 which is 4. Get set. Rima's necklace gets broken. She strings the separated beads and adds a few more beads to it. Help her by drawing one bead at each stage. Then count and fill in the boxes. 4 and one more. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 and one more, 6. 6 and one more, 7. 7 and one more which is 8. 8 and one more which is 9. There were 4 beads in the broken necklace. Rima added 5 more beads to it. Then there were 5 plus 4 which is 9 beads. Math science plus. Plus means to add. Adding 1. 3 trees plus 1 tree which is equal to 4 trees. When we add 1 to the number and the answer is the number just after. Count and fill in the boxes. 1 has been done for you. 1 and one more 1 which is 1 plus 1 which is 2. 7 plus 1 which is 8. 3 plus 1 which is 4. 6 plus 1 which is 7. 4 plus 1 which is 5. 2 plus 1 which is 3. 8 plus 1 which is 9. Adding 0. 5 raspberries plus 0 which is equal to 5 only. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Fill in the boxes. 1 has been done for you. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. Addition on the number strip. Starting from 5, go 2 step forward, 2 step forward. What do you find yourself? You will find 7. 5 plus 2 which is 7. Practice coach, add the given numbers on the numbered strip. 1 has been done for you. 3 plus 4 which is 7. 4 plus 3 which is 7. 3 plus 5 which is 8. 7 plus 2 which is 9. 8 plus 1 which is 9. Number bonds. Observe the patterns and fill in the number bonds. Number bonds of 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Number bonds of 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2 which is 2. Number bonds of 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. Number bonds of 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Number bonds of 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5. Number bonds are also known as addition facts. Vertical addition. Add vertically by drawing sticks. 1 has been done for you. Here 1, 5. You need to add. The total 5 plus 1 is 6. Same way you need to complete for other numbers too. This is the activity. Color any 2 tickets blue whose number is equal to the number on the popcorn pack. 1 has been done for you. You need to color. Horizontal addition. Add horizontal by drawing sticks. 1 has been done for you. 2 plus 7 which is 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. Addition using number train. Add 3 and 4 with the help of number train. Keep your finger on 3 and move forward by 4 steps. Did you reach 7? Tick the correct answer. Use the number train to add the following. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 2 plus 7, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 1 plus 8, 7 plus 1. Order in addition. Look at the pictures given below. 2 plus 4 which is 6. 4 plus 2 which is also equal to 6. We see that the answer remains the same in both the cases whether we add 2 to 4 or 4 to 2. Thus, even if we change the order of the numbers to be added, the answer remains the same. Practice Coach. Box 1 and box 2 have objects of same type. Write 2 addition sentences in front of each figure to show how many of them are there in all. One has been done for you. 6 plus 2 which is 8. Box 2, 2 plus 6 which is also equal to 8. The same way 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Connect each yellow jigsaw piece to a red jigsaw piece such that the sum of numbers is 10 when joined. One has been done for you. You need to join. Story sums. Read the story and sort the sums. One has been done for you. Mary bought 6 apples, then she bought 2 more. Now she has 8 apples altogether, which is 6 plus 2, which is 8. I saw 2 pumpkins and then I saw 2 more. I saw total 2 plus 2, 4 pumpkins. Sam gifted Meera 4 flowers, then Rishi gifted her 2 more. Meera got 4 plus 2, 6 flowers in all. Miss Rosie asked students to her class to bring articles for donation to the children's home. Shenvas collected 4 toys. Shreya collected 5 t-shirts. Miss Rosie collected 9 articles in all. That is 5 plus 4 which is 9. True happiness is not in what we get but in what we give. Share with your class 2 ways in which we can help people in need. Adding 3 numbers using number strip. Add the given numbers on the numbered strip. One has been done for you. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1. Which is equal to 8. The same way. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 4 plus 1. Adding 3 numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. Plus 2 which is equal to 6. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 which is 5. 5 plus 1 which is also equal to 6. 2 plus 4 which is 6. 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 which is 7. Add the given numbers. Complete this activity. Rama arranged matchsticks to create the numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. She also created some addition facts using the matchstick. 2 plus 3 which is 5. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. While creating new sums, Rama by mistake removed 1 stick from each. Add 1 matchstick using a red crayon to correct the sum. One has been done for you. 6 plus 2 which is 8. The same way you need to complete this. 8 plus 1. 5 plus 4, 8 plus 0, 7 plus 1. Next comes, this is the activity. Then comes the revision station. Circle the correct option. 2 plus 3 which is 5. 5 plus 2 which is 7. 3 plus 1 which is 4. 2 plus 0 which is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. Next comes the worksheet. Add the numbers written on the balls, then color the same number of balls in the basket. 2 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 1 plus 4. Now answer the following questions. How many balls are not colored in basket A? 4. How many total balls are not colored in basket B and C? 4. How many balls are not colored in basket D? 1. How many total balls are colored in basket B and D? It is 9. How many balls are not colored in basket C? 2. How many total balls are not colored in basket E and F? It is 1. This completes chapter 3.